Hi everyone, Android phone users come closer. iPhone users come closer. In today's fast-paced world, staying connected and productive on the go is essential. Introducing Microsoft 365 mobile app, your ultimate companion for seamless collaboration and productivity. In this video, we will explore 8 powerful features and learn how to harness its full potential to boost your productivity whenever you are. It is like having your entire office suite at your fingertips. It works on both Android and iPhones. And the good thing about this app is that using it at your office, you can have all your files on your phone at the same time, especially when you have connected your OneDrive. So, if you want to know more about OneDrive, watch this video where I explain how to use OneDrive. Because OneDrive will help you work on both your phone at the same time, your PC. You have the same files on your PC as well as your phone. So if you are ready, let's start explaining the Microsoft 365 app. And if this is the first time you are here, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and also share this video to family and friends. This is the first thing to do. If you don't have the app, go to your app store and look for Office 365. You can see it here, Office 365, and download it. You can see I have it, so open it. When you open it, the first thing you can see, we have apps here. We have 3 categories of apps. We have PDF, scan, and notes. You come down here, there are other Microsoft tools you can download and install. You can install them here and start using them. You come down here, we have home and we have apps. Okay, these apps are the same thing as this one here. This here is a quick way to go to the apps. Here, you come to home here. These are my previous works I have done that are on my phone. At the same time, you can find this on my PC because I'm connected to OneDrive. You can see we have all this on my phone. Okay, the next thing to do is start using the app. Okay, let's go back to apps and let's start exploring it one after the other. You have PDF tools. Go open the PDF. You can see in the PDF, we have sign a PDF. We have scan to PDF. We have pictures to PDF, document to PDF, and PDF to Word. Okay, here you can see if you have a document, a PDF document that need to be signed, like an application that you couldn't sign while you were preparing it, you can still sign it here. The same thing, you have picture, you have a document, you want to turn it into a PDF, you just take your phone and scan that picture and it will automatically turn into a PDF. You have pictures, you want to make it one document, you just take those pictures and turn them into a PDF. We have document to PDF and we have PDF to Word. I will take my time and explain this one after the other. Okay, let's start. Sign a PDF. Okay, to start, when you start from here, sign a PDF document and go to browse, or you can see this is the recent one I did. You can see it here, you can tap on it. This is my CV. So let's scroll down and sign here. For instance, you want to sign, just tap. You see, I've already signed. Let me delete this one and add another one. You can see, come down here, you can see add new, select signature, add new. Okay, here you can see if you already have a signature in as well, you just bring it here or you sign a new one. You can see. Okay, let's sign a new one. You can see, or let me delete it and sign. This is my signature. Okay, after that, store it and take it. Come up here, you can see done. And now you have a signature attached to your document. You can see it here. So this is how to use this feature of it. So if you finish, you just tap here, it will save. So now we are done with this. Let's go back. We have done it with this one. Let's go back to the next feature, which is scan to PDF. This one, you just take a paper or anything that you want to scan. Let me see. For instance, I have a document here. Let me use scan to document here to PDF. You see, it will access your camera. Enable. To actually you want to enable it, enable your camera. After that, go back to the app. You can see I have it here. Yes, scan. Okay. Now it will turn this one. You can adjust it like this. Just adjust it to cover all the areas you want to take. After that, come down here to next. Okay, now you can see you have options to choose from. Enhance, none, document, lighting. You can see black and white if you want to be black and white. So it depends on your taste. After that, you just save it. So now you just scan a document and it was turned into a PDF for you. Simple like that. So now let's go back to our next feature in the app. We have picture to PDF. Now, pictures to PDF. These pictures to PDF. For instance, now pictures to PDF. For instance, you have to take some pictures here. Like this one, you just take any picture here, take the pictures, and just turn it into PDF. After selecting the pictures, come down here, you can see the number of pictures you use. Just tap on it, and all these pictures will be turned into a PDF for you. You can come down, you can see the smartness of the app. It will give you a range of taste. Choose from this. When you finish, just go to save, and it will turn all these selected pictures into a PDF for you. So you don't need to go through a lot before getting your pictures to one PDF. So I hope this one too is clear. Now let's go to the next feature or the next app. We have document to pictures, a document to PDF. So it's explanatory. You can see you can just turn your document into pictures. All this document you have here, just choose one, and like this, just choose it and turn it into a PDF. Simple like that. So you are almost done. PDF to Word. You have a PDF. You want to turn it into like this PDF. You can just turn it into Word document. Pretty easy. You can see this was the first document we did. Now you want to turn it into Word. It is a PDF document. You just want to turn it into Word document. When you finish, just come to the app here, come to down. It will turn the document into a Word document for you. And from here, you can see you have some options down here. You can have mobile view. This is a mobile view of your document now. You can see you can also use this option, read aloud. It will read it for you.
Your couples goal setting retreat.
Okay. This also, you can also add headlines from here. So it's just like you are working on a computer. You all know, if you know how to use Word document, this is how you get everything. When you finish, just come here, you can save it and choose your location wherever you want to save it. After that, you just send it or print it. You can see we have print, export as what. You can see PDF or open document text. You can see. So it depends on what you want to do with your document. So let's move to the next one. Now we have finished with PDF tools. Now we are going to scan tool. We finish with PDF tool, we're going to scan tools. If you open here, you have scan to PDF. It's like a one we did. And this is the amazing thing we didn't talk about, image to text. So for instance, let me try it for you to see. I still have this one here. You can see if I take a screenshot, a picture of this, and it will extract the text from the document. Let's take, okay. Now it will extract, you can see this one. For instance, if you want to print for you, and you can use it. Okay, now let's go to the other one. You can see image to table. You take an image and it will put it into table for you, depending on the way you want it. Go to confirm, and it will extract it and turn it into a table for you. Okay, now let's go to the next, which is scan a QR code. Okay, this is okay. Now we are done with the apps. You can see you can download or install all these Microsoft products and use it on your phone. Now come back to home, or let's go to create. If you come to create, you can see we have Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, forms. You can create a Word document from here. You choose a template. You can see you have a lot of templates here. Choose it and start using it the way you want. You can see you can scan a text and put it into your document. You can dictate talking at the same time. It will start writing whatever you are talking to your document, or start with a blank document. All this within your app. Let me use this to have some fun that should be downloaded to my app. You can see this is a template. You can start using it. Or let's choose another one in case this is not the one you want. You can see we have a lot of templates. So come to the app, download the app and start using it. And let me know in the comment your experience with the app. Let's try another one. You have Excel here, Excel tool. You see, have a lot of templates. You can use them. You can use all these templates. Okay, let's go back. You can see PowerPoint. You can create. You have a lot of template of PowerPoint here. Choose from them and start using them. So I hope I have explained a lot in this app, and start using it and let me know your experience. And please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it with other friends, because this amazing app will help you, will let you be a productive person on the go. You have your apps and you have your document on your PC at the same as your phone. You have it. So if you enjoyed the video, as I said, subscribe to my channel and share the video with others. Bye.